still sick. Definitely sick. But that ain't gonna stop me from watching Kai, baby. Bro, I knew. Ever since Kai went solo, like he did his solo thing, I knew that shit gonna be dangerous. It was called Rover. I saw the teasers. He looking fine as ever. We all knew this was gonna happen, but we weren't ready. We prepared, but we weren't ready. Anyways, your boy JRE, we're gonna be checking out Kai, Rover. I just took a shower, you know. Your boy's still under the weather since the last reaction video to End Mix. But getting better. I'm just ready for some Kai. Again, join my Discord, link in the description. We just had community night where we played Mario Kart against each other. Your boy stayed a consistent 3rd place. Your boy got them. He decent in Mario Kart. I saw the teaser, that shit looked fire. It fuego, yo. It got the reggaeton vibes, some Caribbean vibes, I don't know. You better like this video, share this video, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell while you're at it. Play my intro. Transition mode. Yeah. If you know, you know. Alright, Kai, Rover. Suit and tie and everything. Oh, he's using a different identity? What the fuck does that mean? Hashtag you? What does that mean? Hashtag Kai. Oh, Miss Ma'am. Is he an assassin? I can't fix. Woo! I already got chills. This oh my god. I swear I knew this was dangerous when he had to do solos. And he gonna overuse that body rolling? Like, Stop. Oh, what the f? Woo! Okay. Rover. Over? When you coming over? What? You coming over right now? Kai, I don't know if I can survive this. Woo! He got them cowboy star pants. You better stop. He said, Dre, I know you like body rolls. Let me give you all of it. He's a barber? I mean, a stylist?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
This motherfucker. Who told him to do solos? We wanted it. This is what we get. Get that shit, Kai. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's go, Kai. Bro. How is he so? Oh my god. He's unreal. God damn, bro. Who told him to give him this type of beat? He know he was gonna. Oh my god, he feeling up on himself too. Got the ballerines in the background too. It's like on some John Wick stuff. What is he? You got the wind in your hair. Sorry, I'm. Oh my god, so many identities. Who are you, Kai? Mr. Who? Oh my god, his mini album must be so good. His album? Oh my god, I have to check that out too. Stop! You smile like that. How's he giving me so much energy? Look at this! Oh my god, you Disney Prince looking. This is how we playing. This is how we playing. Woo! I don't know what's, bro. Damn, Kai, you something else. Look at that little, like, he's just teasing his little, his belly button ish. God, this man taking. Oh, stop! Nah, he knows what he's doing. Woo! Okay. Call me Rover. Don't tell me they can be SM jump scare. Yep. Third mini album. Though he going in, bro. Nah, we gotta replay. Bro, y'all better hashtag Kai Rover. I like this old lady. She like the boss lady? She hands out the jobs? That bedazzled jean jacket is so fuego with no shirt on. This whole outfit's, it's always from the beginning. His outfits have always been on point. I love and hate the fact that when he body rolls, you can see his little belly button too. I love it. Oh girl, I'm sorry for this pause. I love it. I love him. Robot. I already see some of my friends doing dance covers of this. Me, on the other hand, that's not my style. My God. I would do a green screen, but I don't feel... Maybe once I feel a lot better. Because right now, this is already a lot for... God damn, he did not have to do this. What the look? He got jobs to do. And this one, he has like a bruise in his eye, right? Ooh, those glasses though. The robot. Bro, Kai can just... Kai, when are we gonna do a collab? I just wanna know. I wanna do a body roll competition with you. See how good your body rolls be. I mean, I could tell how. Over. Sorry, I'm just literally just taken back. I'm just watching without even commentating. Sometimes it's best that way. Just take it in, Dre. Take it all in. The robot. Look at that high note. Let's go. A little yell. Ooh. Oh. I butchered that. Robot. Got a little rap part too. Damn, even his thrust affect me. Bro, EXO got some talented ass people. I'm not gonna lie. We been knew this. But Kai solo album. My favorites are Kai solo albums. And Baekhyun just slays me, bro. Leave the comments down below what you guys think of this music video. This slayed me. This totally slayed me. Kai in general, him becoming like doing his solo-ish. When Kai announced that he was gonna release a solo stuff like in the very beginning with I already knew I was gonna just get slayed. And each time I get slayed in a different ways. This way it's just like it felt right back to era, but a little bit more upbeat. Like, damn. I'm speechless. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. Join the Discord, link in the description. We have a good time over there. If you want to talk K-pop, anime, K-dramas, got it all. It's also a way just to keep up to date with me and everything. On my Twitch, I do live stream almost every day. I might take a little bit break since I'm a little bit sick still, just to get myself to 100. I feel like I'm like 60 to be very enough where I could like actually do like commentary. Because girl, take care of yourself. Take your vitamin C. I need to do that more often. Have a blessed day. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.